Okay, so let's see how we can add an alarm on Huawei Band 8. So to do that, you can press here and find the app in the list, or you can just swipe down and use the quick access menu here. Then you have a plus to add an alarm. Tap on the plus, choose the hour first, then the minutes, tap on OK. And here you can choose if you want this alarm to repeat, let's say every Sunday. Scroll down, tap on OK, and here it is. Now you have an option here to disable or enable it. If you tap on it, you have an option here to change it and to change the repetition. Scroll down, OK, and then you have an option here to delete it. Tap on delete and confirm. And that's pretty much it how it works. Now let's see how we can do that with the phone. Make sure to open the app, tap on the devices, tap on the Huawei Band 8, then scroll down to alarms, tap here, and here you have the same option to add your alarm, the repetition, so on. Tap on check, and that's how it's done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. If it was, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.